Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you the KM200 mechanical keyboard and mouse set. If you're looking for a set that's a plug and play, this is the set for you. So easy to use and it's rechargeable, no batteries needed. It comes with a quick start guide on how to turn on each device and get it connected. You just take the USB that's provided with it, plug it right into your computer, and it's ready to go. You have your on and off switch here on the keyboard. Flip that on, and then it lights up, you're ready to go. You got a great mechanical feel to it. Great sound, good feel, not a mush board at all. Does have the 10 key, and then you do have the F functions with the multiple use here. Love that. And then it's got the copy paste buttons. A lot of functionality with this keyboard, a lot of different options. Love that. And then the mouse. What I love about this mouse is it's got the thumb triggers. So I use the thumb triggers a lot to go back and forth on pages, and then you can program it to do whatever you want, but I do not use the mouse without the side triggers. You've got the wheel on the top and then the side button, or the center button as well. This also rechargeable, and you've got the on and off switch here. Turn it on and it links with the keyboard, with the USB. Also Bluetooth capable. If you don't want to use up one of your USBs, you can do that as well. So let's get this plugged in so you guys can see it in action. Enjoy.